Hello! We're going to quickly talk about how to set up our own little printf function. Pretty much, all I'm asking for you guys is to create a myDebugger.h library, copy paste this code. After copy pasting this code, then all you need to do is hash include it in your main.c file, and then you can call it as a basic printf, which is down here, debug printf he. Now the annoying thing is that this only works in debugger mode, and even though this works in debugger mode, you still need to do one more thing for the setup. So to help with the setup, you just need to do one simple step. You will go here, you will go to debug configurations. After going to debug configurations, go to the debugger. In the debugger, you will scroll down. You will enable SWV, the serial wire viewer, and you'll select 72 as your core clock. After that, you click apply, then you close this, and then you need to open this special little view. And when running your programs in debugging mode, you don't click run, you click this and this. I think that clicking debug does the exact same thing. But anyways, you click debug, then what happens, you get this cool little debugging view. Over here you can add breakpoints, do cool little things, like you would in like Java, I guess. Now, what is super helpful is this little view, and I'll show you how you get this view. You go to, where is it? Window. Under window, you have the, where is it? Show view. Under show view, we have, okay, usually it is here under special name. However, life is like this. You want, oh wait, never mind. I'm just stupid. Okay, no. I went all the way to other to find this thing, but apparently, sorry, cancel for a second. It's right here. Oh my god, I feel so stupid now. Why didn't I know this before I made the video? Okay, so you go show view, SWV, then you go to the SWV data console. After clicking this, you won't even see this port here. You'll just see this. Due to the beauty of programming on the STM303RE, life is never simple. So we have one more step to do. After you get to this view, which is great if you got here so far, you click on the configure trace. In there, you will go, shoot, I'm already lost. Yes, you will go all the way here and click this guy. Why? Don't ask me, dude. I wish I knew too. But yeah, I think it's just the port to send all the data to, and then we're just reading off of that. But wait, there's more. After doing this, you then call your printf function so that we can test this. This ITM send char is also does the same thing. It sends a single character though, not a printf. And don't ask where the code for this comes from. It exists somewhere in the library, somewhere here. I'll just click this. It exists in this library, which should be hash included when you hash include this in your main.h. This is by default in all functions. Don't worry about it. Don't try and hash include anything extra. So write this in your while loop, then do this. I created a breakpoint here. In debugging mode, just right click to add a breakpoint or toggle it. I just added one. So then when I run this, and don't click this, always click this. Give it a second. It might open something up here. Give it 3 years. Okay, I don't care about this. So sometimes it'll open this up, show you some code here, but then after it's done that, it'll return you back to main.c, hopefully. And then after it's here, you just click this little continue button. What this is doing right now is it's showing you the current line that's being executed. And then when you click the resume button, it'll run through the rest of your code up to your breakpoint. Now that we're at the breakpoint, you do want to then click start trace. And then when you click start trace, you'll notice this is now selected. Then I can either click resume or go next step. Next step will go line by line for me. And you'll notice that this function, this line actually executed and printed my little exclamation mark. Do it again. There we go. And just like a normal printf, I can just say he and then say 21 because, you know, 9 plus 10. In fact, 9 plus 10, that should equal to 21. Then when we run this, will this break actually? Because I don't know if this will work if we edit code live. Yeah, it doesn't work if we edit code live. You know what? This will make it look like 9 plus 10 is equal to 21, and that's the goal here anyway, so that's fine. Okay, so you might have to like rerun this whole thing. I think the basic way to do this is terminate and relaunch. Yes. Honestly, I should click that little checkbox. Just make me look at this. Anyways, give it 3 years. And yeah, I hope I didn't miss anything. If you have a funny little setup where for some dumb reason, maybe an intelligent reason, because I'm not that smart anyways. Sorry, I have to go here, don't I? This enabled, yep. Yeah, that should say 21 is equal to 21. Anyways, if for some random ass reason you have something, your clock speed is different on your STM303, what you do is that we need to exit here, so just do this to terminate. We're back at the Project Explorer. Open this little IOC file. This is impossible for you to change this unless you actually went out of your way to change this. It's not impossible, it's very easy to change, but like you have to go out of your way to do stuff. Go to your clock configuration. You want to make sure this FCLK is matching with your, let's go back to main. Well, that doesn't matter if I go back to main actually. Anyways, is matching with, let's go to debug configuration. Let's go to debugger. You want to make sure that's matching this. Oh, piss off. Okay, there we go. So you want this to be enabled. Make sure it's enabled. And then you want to make sure that's also 72. This should be matching this. You don't need to limit your SWO clock. You can leave it as is. It'll just go to the max value, which is usually 2000 in this case. And then you just click debug, which should just run everything. Anyways, or you can click apply. You don't need to click debug. But that's it. Sorry if it's wasting time like this. Hope this helps with debugging. Hopefully I do include the code somewhere. Bye-bye. How do I stop this actually? Wait, what? Oh, there we go.